Hello scrappers, Okie Scrapper here. September 2nd, happy Labor Day. Well, I'm looking at some of the Facebook groups around my area, and there's a little town just north of me. I drive through it on the way to work and the way home, and someone posted some pictures of some of the stuff they had out the curb for large trash pickup. Well, large trash pickup was 2 weeks ago up there, but apparently their trash truck broke down, so, or the truck they pick it up with. So I thought, well, since it's a holiday, I know it's not going anywhere, so I'll swing by there on the way home. And then break time today, I was one of the lucky ones who got to work today. There's someone posted a wash machine. They said the agitator's a little slow, but we'll see if it works. My daughter's going to need one when they get their trailer remodeled, so we'll put it out there. So I'll zoom in here. We'll start unloading this load, and the sun's in my eyes, so it's kind of hard to see anything. I'll get on the other side of the camera and aim this in real quick. Okay. These things are kind of flat plate. Got some solid 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch on it. But I think I'll throw that in the tin or the shred pile. Imagine these shovels go in there too. I think that's some kind of a shock. I'm not really sure. This is off a tractor. Looks pretty solid though. There's no tractor seat. I think I can maybe cut this off of there, and then the rest can probably go into short iron. So I'll go ahead and set that over there. Here's a wheel from a lawnmower. Here's the hub. And what I like to do with these, I like to just hang on to it. I'll try it, see if it matches up to any of the trailers I use or anything. If it does, then I'll maybe mark it somehow, and then if I come across tires and rims, I'll try them out and see if it fits them or not. I'm not sure. Yeah, I guess that's aimed in there pretty good. I'll go ahead and put that over in a wheelbarrow. Little cable, and I'm not sure, got a padlock, I'm not sure what that goes to, but I'll throw that in the shred pile. Another flat shovel, not too bad a shape. I might hang on to that. I don't know, might find a handle. More short iron. There's a bucket of goodies. You know, that's an ancient door lock there. Basically antique. And I got a few clamps in here. Something to kind of go through. Yeah, I'm going to set that aside. There's some cable clamps in there. It's pretty warm out here today. The bike frame. These car wheels. There's some scrap yards I can put that in a short iron. The one down here in Chickasha, they'll take a few in short iron, but if you have a lot of them, they want to put them into a category of their own. So I'm going to be instead of taking scrap back in, I'm going to be trying out a new yard. Which, that yard I used to take fence wire to. It was the only yard around that would take fence wire. So I'll find out if they call it short iron or if they want it in a separate category. And there's another yard up in the city, it's a little further, that I might take some stuff to. I'll probably work between the two of them. The one in Chickasha, they're usually pretty low on their prices, so I usually stay away from that one. But I remember these old Stingray bicycles from when I was a kid, back in the 60s. Another weed eater, little Murray. Got a bucket here of trampoline springs. Saw somebody, I think it was on this group, said something about those, you can sell them on eBay. So I'll have to do a little research on there and see what they go for. Get a count of them and probably let them go. I'll go all one money and stick them in a flat rate box. Got no hubcap. Looks like Chrysler. May have to investigate on that one too. That might be worth $1 or $2. Who knows? I'm not sure what this is. There's a pole from a basketball hoop. A woman called me a few minutes ago and said they found another bicycle and a few other things, so I want to swing by there tomorrow. I can pick it up as long as that large trash pickup doesn't beat me to it. Another Stingray frame. Another bicycle. Didn't pick up a whole lot of stuff, but don't know what scrap's gonna do yet. Here's no, probably 3 on the tree. Who knows what it's out of. And I picked up an old fan. Got a small electric motor. Got a cord if nothing else. So I'll take it up there, got a switch. I'll take it up there to the shop, plug it in, see what it does. I thought this was metal when I picked it up, now I'm thinking it's plastic. But not nice, kind of nice little box. Got a couple mounting holes there and there, so might be able to stick it on a trailer or something. It's got a couple latches here, or hinges. Some kind of a latch. Oh yeah. Got a couple latches there, so I might be able to cut me something to fit up in there, liquid nail it, silicone it, and then maybe stick it on the tongue of a trailer or something and keep some chains or straps or something like that in there. So, guess we'll see on that. No telling what I can do. I don't know if something like that. Sometimes you can mount a grinder or a vise or something like that and have a little portable vise. I got a small little trailer. I might mount that on the trailer so I can kind of see the back corner. But that's about it. So if you enjoyed this at all, go ahead and subscribe. I appreciate it if you would. Then you'll get to see any upcoming videos. Now that I got this new camera, I'll probably do one where I'm stripping wires again. Do it a little different. And happy scrapping, everybody, and we'll see you again next time. So have a happy holiday. Bye bye.